global partnership and international relations.
The model consulate to help improve this service in all the embassies.
The commitment to a model embassy is a way forward.
Civil society members to make people aware.
I have had the opportunity to interact with a large number of migrant workers, and every time the embassy comes up as a topic of discussion.
The employer is saying during COVID we cannot go outside and we cannot send your money. We should focus the service and the role of embassy should increase.
Pay is not necessarily the main factor that motivates women's labor migration. Migrant women workers seek other factors such as dignity of work, freedom from harassment, and freedom to associate.
So were the contract budget provisions sufficient to protect the migrant workers in terms of health coverage that they could get, in terms of if they are to be repatriated, and then of course the abuse that is faced by the recruiting agencies and how we are regulating that. All of these things that we have been talking about for a long time pre-COVID, these have all become a nightmarish reality for the migrant workers.
In the embassy, those who are working there, they know their challenges, and we need develop our capacity very strongly.
In this context, Bangladeshi mission in the workers, host countries, especially in the Gulf and Levant, should play a more active role in helping them stay in their duty locations.
The whole issue of gender responsiveness, inclusiveness, and also right-based approach. So whatever we do, this should be our kind of a guideline.
We have seen many existing solutions are there, many new suggestions are there. If we take those suggestions and if we assess them based on how measurable they are, how impactful they are, how essential they are, and how they can be scalable.
We would like to make model consulate to help improve this service in all the embassies. But unfortunately, in that case, we have to impose more taxes to our taxpayers. And whether everybody is willing to do it, I don't know.
To make it more activated, the people who are in Bangladesh, the organizations, ministry, embassy, all of them need to support. Until we support them, it is never possible.
The objectives that we have in the Global Compact on Migration that talks about the role of the missions. The most important thing, materialization of Objective 23 that talks about global partnership and international relations.
An embassy obviously is the nexus between destination countries and countries in origin. It is the key piece of the puzzle. The important role that they play needs to be obviously very much recognized, but also how we can strengthen that by working together collectively.
We are committed to forging a partnership with our actors, whether it is an international development partner or a civil society.